How's it going, everybody? This is Top of Drop. I hope you're having a great day, and welcome back to another video. Alright folks, we are transitioning into the world of Chinese food for this challenge, and for the very first time in my entire life, I am trying the ever so popular Panda Express. And boy, do I have a banger with me for this one. I have with me a party tray full of all of their original orange chicken, easily their most popular chicken on the menu, and I'm going to see how fast I can take down this whole entire tray. It's going to be a doozy, but I cannot wait to get into this. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Panda Express Orange Chicken Party Tray Challenge. Now, Panda Express is probably the most popular Chinese fast food chain there is in all of America. They serve a whole lot of great Chinese chicken and a whole bunch of other food as well. And obviously, the orange chicken is the star of the entire menu. And I felt like that I really want to give it a shot, and I really want to really test myself here. So I got with me a whole party tray because I've seen so many people do this challenge. Now, I'm a little nervous because usually Chinese chicken, usually that fills you up pretty quickly, so I'm really gonna have to be on my toes in regards to this challenge. But you know what? Hey, a madman's a madman, and I felt like that I really wanted to give this a shot. And so yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time here. I have my party tray full of orange chicken right here. This is, I really don't know how many pounds it is, but obviously it's a lot of orange chicken, so I have it right here ready to go. I also have with me a couple of utensils. I'm gonna try to see if I can use the spoon first, and if that doesn't work, I'll transition over to the fork here to try to see if I can get all of this chicken down. And just in case I need it, I have with me my good pal, the Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, probably the best tasting Coke there is in the world. So I have this with me just in case I need it. And then finally, I have the stopwatch on my phone, so that way you can see how fast I take down this entire party tray of the original orange chicken from Panda Express. So we're not wasting any further time. Let's get right into it. Alright, here we go, folks. I literally just got this 10 minutes ago, so it's still probably a little bit hot, but either way, I'm ready to get into this. It is the Panda Express Orange Chicken Party Tray Challenge. We're gonna get this thing started in 3, 2, 1. And here we go. We'll get into our first bite right now. Wow, I can understand how popular the orange chicken is at Panda Express. This is real good. Coke Zero's gonna come quite in handy here because I'm gonna be going back and forth quite a bit. I love sesame chicken, but hey, orange chicken tastes pretty good as well. This is awesome. There are definitely some big pieces of chicken in here, and it's giving me a little bit of pause, but you know what? I ain't stopping. Alright, we're making some pretty good time. We're just past 12 minutes and it looks like we're about halfway through, maybe a little bit less than that obviously. So obviously we're making some pretty good progress. I really love this orange chicken, but again, usually this is the kind of thing that's going to fill me up real quick, so hopefully I'll be able to power through and finish this tray. So don't have that much left to go, so let's keep on rolling. Starting to feel it just a little bit, but hopefully it ain't too bad. Okay, I think I see less than 30 pieces left to go here. However, it is starting to get pretty difficult. About to hit 20 minutes. Let's see if we can try to get this thing done in under 30. Golly, I got all the biggest pieces for last, man. Whew, what the heck was I thinking? Ten pieces left to go. Almost there, man. Almost there. Finish one, it's almost there. Alright, final bites. Let's finish this thing. Woo! Oh man, that was crazy. Alright folks, we have eaten the whole entire original orange chicken party tray from Panda Express. I will tell you what, that chicken looked a little intimidating, but in the end, it was no match for me. It was absolutely delicious, and we just managed to get it done in under a half hour. We managed to do it in 29 minutes and 58 seconds. So yeah, I don't know if this tops Tomato Garden, which is the local Chinese food restaurant here in my hometown, and I really love Tomato Garden, but I will tell you right now, I can understand why the original orange chicken from Panda Express is so popular. It tasted absolutely delicious, and even though I did struggle a little bit near the end, I did manage to have just enough space in my stomach to be able to get this job done. So obviously, for my first time trying Panda Express, it definitely tasted very good, and I will definitely be back there to try some more of their food. However, not this much of it. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, if you'd like to see more of my content, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when my latest video is released. Comment below for future suggestions for all my videos, whether it's blogs, projects, or challenges, you name it. Leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to make them. As always, follow me on my social media. All the links are in the description below. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you're having another great day. And as always, I hope to see all of you again in another video very soon. So long, everybody.